How to hard reset Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge factory reset tutorial. Step 1. Power off the device. Press and hold the power button, volume down button simultaneously. When the power menu appears, tap power off. Step 2. Enter recovery mode. Press and hold the volume up button at the same time. Keep holding until the Samsung logo appears, then release the buttons. Wait for the Android recovery screen to show. Step 3. Navigate the recovery menu. Use the volume buttons to move up down. Highlight wipe data factory reset. Step 4. Confirm the reset. Press the power button to select. Highlight factory data reset and confirm with the power button again. Step 5. Wait for reset to complete. When it says data wipe complete, highlight reboot system now and press the power button. Step 6. Phone reboots. Fresh. It will take a few minutes to restart. Then you'll be back at the initial setup screen like it's a new phone.